Ah, 83!
Whoa.
Oh, you're an idiot! No! Fuck, man! Oh, fuck you, you dickhead! I'm a fucking embarrassment. I'm a fucking embarrassment.
Oh,
Bro! What the fuck, man? Why would I? Oh my god. Fucking why? You autist.
think to turn this on.
Ah, fuck, man. I wasn't even nervous or anything. I should have so fucking beaten it. Fuck, man. Fuck you! I hate gay. Can we get rid of this guy? I don't like this guy.
No, it's possible.
Fuck you!
Not 91.
God.
Okay, I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we
How was skill mode?
Right. Extreme noses pants is on you, ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help but notice your bolts from across the floor. Noses are Nicky, wakey till day, Matilda, hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my widow baby tail off for your bulgy wulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likey suzzles and wuzzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me, please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Suck my balls! Yes! It burns! I don't know what that means. Fuck yes! Suck my dick, Misfire. Dislike.
Explosivo, I'm sorry.
Look at this.
I'm sorry, Explosivo, but you used LVM. You gotta redo.
Fuck off.
Sorry.
Yes! Yes! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! And fuck you! And fuck you! Okay, I'm 2K attempt missing. This took me longer than Catalyze.
Hey, Explosivo.
Oh, fuck me, man.
You have to play now.
Dear, I have to play Sonic Wave now. Oh dear, you do.